Check this Phantom wallet out. $5 million all made from Memecoin launches, not by chasing pumps, not by timing trades, just by deving them. Let me show you how it's done right now. Now bro, if you guys didn't know, I used to spend fucking hours on Memescope trenching, trying to become rich and trying to snipe the perfect entry to potentially change my life. But every single time I full ported on the Memecoin, I got completely dumped on over and over again, okay? It's fucking shit. Like for real, if you are still trading, you are bound to lose. Now, the actual winners in this space are not the ones buying these coins, but it's the ones launching. Because by being a dev, you have completely nothing to lose because you have full control over the timing, the supply, and the narrative. And also, as a creator, like I said, you lose nothing, but if you keep trading, you could potentially lose everything. That's the worst part about it. But with Bitcoin breaking records and Solana currently above $200, it's the best time to start deving. That's exactly why you guys have to keep watching until the end. And by the way, this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not giving financial advice, and always do your own research. Yap! Now most people, when they think about deving meme coins, they go straight to Pump.fun because they think that if you launch coins here, you can make a shit ton of money, but that's completely wrong because Pump.fun is overcrowded. There's non-stop launches, non-stop creations, and if you launch a meme coin on this platform, you will get zero visibility and no liquidity control. Even though they just came out with a brand new feature where you can stream meme coins, you will make no money because it's oversaturated and there's too much competition. And that's exactly why I switched to create tokenfast.io, because on this website you can launch directly to Raydium and it's instantly migrated on the Raydium DEX. And because of that, buyers will ape in and your coin will be viewed to thousands of potential investors every single second. That's exactly why every single coin on the migrate section goes to insane numbers. Like look at this, it's insane bro. Now how do you launch a meme coin and dev it on this platform? Now the first method, okay, is from scratch. So just pick a good narrative. I like to go on X, right, which is Twitter, and I like to look for narratives that are trending so I could potentially make a coin off of. Like, let me see, back when Zayas grabbed Rosa's sister and tossed her in the air. Yeah, that's not a good narrative, to be honest. Let me see what else there is. Blueface, 0 monthly listeners. That could be a good narrative that he fell off. Okay, now you get the gist. Once you have a good narrative, just screenshot it, remember it, and then come back to create tokens.io, and then just put a quick name, quick symbol, and image, right? So yeah, and just like that, your coin is live in seconds. But the second method is my favorite one because it's the most profitable method by far, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now on this list, all of these coins are already trending on Pump.fun, and all you have to do is just copy them here and launch them directly to Raydium. And since the hype is already baked into these coins, you will get instant buyers and way bigger profits from the start because they simply all have a good narrative already. So I would highly recommend to copy coins to build out that capital. Alright, let's stop stalling and fucking fooling around. I'm gonna put the coin live right now by copying a coin, and let's see how quick we could make some money. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website just like this, boom, like that, with Phantom, and then click on refresh list for all the new fresh coins, and let's look for a coin to potentially create, copy, and make money with it, with the coin, right? I'm gonna go with the October coin because it's like a pun, right? It has a last buy 3 seconds ago and a $25,000 market cap. Also a Twitter, let's see if it's active. Okay, it's a community, 26 members. That's good. Now click on create coin, and then, oh my god, ignore the warning from Phantom. It's completely normal. Every single person is going to get the same exact warning. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied. All you have to do is just wait, and then boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where all the action starts. We're creating the liquidity pool, we're adding it to the coin, and it will be instantly traded on Raydium from a bunch of different investors. This is what Pump.fun doesn't offer to you guys, and that is what makes us in control of the liquidity pool. So first of all is the amount token A. Just click on 90%. That's 900 million tokens going into the liquidity pool. Right under is the amount token B. This is basically your first entry into the pool. It is not money lost, okay? It's just locked in. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and you will get it back later when you pull out the liquidity. You will get it back right in your wallet right after. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, which is right above the minimum, and then after that, click on create pool because you want to create a pool, and then click on confirm. When that is done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the October coin is on live. Our profits are at $0 obviously, and the pulled in coins are right here. And if you click on refresh right here for a second time, now we're up $201 on this coin because people are actively buying the coin at this present moment. Click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view. Let's see what happens after it loads in. Okay, we're getting buys. Obviously, we're already up a couple $100 already. It should load, the buys should load in. Oh my fucking god, it's already up at a 1.5k market cap. Things are looking mad good. Come on. Now guys, do not be emotional. It is gonna go back up and up and up because more and more people are going to start buying in. More and more people are going to see it on the migrate section and buy in. That's the fucking power of the Raydium DEX. Now bro, it should fucking rip soon. Let's see what happens. Come on, yes sir, 16 bucks right in your pockets. And by the way, do not be emotional once again because oh my god, what the what? What the fuck? Okay, should I dump the meme coin or not? Okay, should I dump the meme coin or not? Oh my god. Oh my god! It's pumping so much! Okay, should I remove the liquidity or not? Oh my god. Now guys, I'm just rage baiting. I'm just clip farming, okay? Because I do have a bunch of clippers clipping this video. So, okay guys, yeah, do not be emotional. It is gonna go up and up and up. And yeah bro, I'm gonna be right back. Once I'm back, we're going to make some money. Okay guys, I am back. I think I was too late because it was at a $5,000 market cap. Now it's down to 2.5k. Anyways, I'm gonna make some money. So come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive $1,500 right in my wallet with a 2.3k market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin right here. Oh my god. And now as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive 7 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you print generational wealth off of this coin. If I click my phantom wallet to see how much I made, boom! $1,500 all in my wallet. It's all legit. It's actually insane, bro. I would highly recommend to dev Memecoins.